Hello friends, in this lecture we will see Z-level profiling, and one option we have already seen though. So same I am doing with this cavity. First of all, I am going to create a new tool, and point 4 is a dia, and length, and the tool number. Okay, click here. My tool path is Z-level profiling. By default it is steep, so I'm going to generate the tool path for the steep area, and my geometry is inside face. If you want to cut between the levels on the horizontal face, then activate it, otherwise no problem. Direct and the ramp we can use. We can use any reference tool for this cutting as well. So let's see, just generate it with none. So I'm using this direct. Ramp is not allowed it here. Direct is also not allowed it. So in open area it is not allowed it. So first I'm going to create this depth. Okay, now change this method. So here it is not possible to take this ramp. I'm directly using this use transfer method. Okay, and if I want to cut this planar face also, so I'm going to change this method from steep containment to none. Then it will generate. Let's see the result. So this is the Z level profiling option. Okay, and click this OK, and here we have one more option, reference tool. So first I'm going to check the tool we use in cavity, and the tool is 1 inch and 3 inch. Okay, so I'm using this tool as a reference in Z level profiling. So 1 inch and 3 inch is my reference tool. Okay, and in geometry, this inner portion is my reference geometry. Now generate this. Now this tool will generate this steep profile operation where the material is left from the previous operation. Okay, although it is none, it is creating the tool path over this. So this is working like the Z level corner. Okay, this is the operation for Z level corner, and we will see this in upcoming lecture also. If you will go to this operation and flow cut, it is a little bit similar to this flow cut single or flow cut multiple, but here we can create this Z level profiling where the previous tool cannot cut. So we can use any tool to cut that portion. Okay, we can use any bull nose tool. Okay, so if you want to change, we can change this. So this time my tool is 0.4. Okay, I want to use this tool. So here my tool is this milling tool. Okay, the rest options are the same. Now generate. So this is a Z level corner. It will generate tool path over the corner. Here the non-cutting moves are so much. I want to reduce this non-cutting moves. Under this strategy, I'm going to change this direct or ramp on part, but this is not allowed it on this close area. It will most of the time we use this for the open area. So we can change, make some change in cut direction, change this cut direction to mix, and now label to label direct on part we can use and generate. Now non-cutting moves are reduced, and this time it is conventional or clean move, both are used in this. Let's see. And it is working on the corners only. Okay, so this is the Z level corner with reference to previous tool.